Every day, you step into your kitchen, believing it's the safest place in your home. But hidden dangers, like toxic cookware, contaminated sponges, and chemical-laden containers, could be silently impacting your family's health. This isn't about fear, it's about taking control. Today, we'll reveal 10 hidden kitchen hazards and, more importantly, show you simple, affordable ways to fix them. By the end, you'll have a clear action plan to transform your kitchen into a true sanctuary of health. Let's get started. Non-stick pans are convenient, but many contain PFAS chemicals, so-called forever chemicals, that can leach into your food, especially when scratched or overheated. These chemicals have been linked to thyroid disease, liver damage, and even cancer. If your non-stick pan is chipped or scratched, it's time to toss it. Instead, choose cast iron, stainless steel, or high-quality ceramic cookware. If you must use non-stick, never cook on high heat and avoid metal utensils. The moment you see damage, replace the pan, no exceptions. Your family's health is worth more than a convenient omelet. Small changes in cookware can make a big difference. Upgrade wisely. Plastic containers may seem harmless, but many contain BPA or BPS, chemicals that can disrupt hormones and leach into your food, especially when heated. BPA-free doesn't always mean safe. Substitutes like BPS may be just as harmful. Never microwave food in plastic, even if it says microwave safe. Switch to glass or stainless steel containers for storage and reheating. For freezer bags or wraps, use food-grade silicone. Glass is non-reactive, durable, and safe for all foods. Stainless steel is great for lunches and won't break. These swaps protect your family from hidden chemical exposure. Ditch the plastic for good. Your leftovers and your health will thank you. The dirtiest thing in your kitchen isn't the trash can, it's your sponge. Sponges harbor millions of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella. Wiping counters with a dirty sponge just spreads germs everywhere. Replace your sponge every 1 to 2 weeks or sooner if it smells. Sanitize daily by microwaving it wet for 1 minute or running it through the dishwasher. Better yet, switch to silicone scrubbers or brushes. They dry faster and don't harbor bacteria. Wash dishcloths daily in hot water. Don't let your cleaning tool become a health hazard. Break the cycle of bacterial growth. Keep your kitchen truly clean. Cutting boards, wood or plastic, can trap bacteria and mold in knife grooves. Cross-contamination is a real risk, especially if you use the same board for raw meat and produce. Use separate, color-coded boards for meats and veggies. Wash thoroughly with hot, soapy water after each use. Disinfect with white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, and always dry boards upright. Replace boards with deep grooves or stains. They're impossible to sanitize fully. Wood boards need extra care to prevent warping and mold. Plastic boards scar easily and trap germs. A simple swap and good habits can prevent foodborne illness. Protect your prep space. Raw meat juices can leak and contaminate everything from your grocery bag to your fridge. Always bag raw meat separately at the store. Store it on the bottom shelf of your fridge, in a sealed container, or on a plate to catch drips. After handling, clean and disinfect all surfaces and wash your hands thoroughly. Never let raw meat touch ready-to-eat foods. This simple organization prevents dangerous bacteria from spreading. Don't forget, soap and water first, then disinfect it. These habits are your best defense against foodborne illness. Stay vigilant with raw meat. Safety starts with storage. Not all cooking oils are safe at high heat. When oils exceed their smoke point, they break down and form toxic compounds. Avoid using canola oil for high-heat cooking. Avoid using corn oil for high-heat cooking. Avoid using sunflower oil for high-heat cooking. Choose avocado oil for frying and roasting. They're stable at high temperatures. Choose ghee for frying and roasting. They're stable at high temperatures. Use olive oil for low-heat cooking or as a finishing touch. Matching the right oil to the right job keeps your meals healthy. Don't let your oil turn toxic. Cook smart with fats. Many kitchen cleaners leave behind harsh chemical residues on your counters, dishes, and even in the air. These can irritate your skin, lungs, and may disrupt hormones over time. Switch to simple, non-toxic cleaners like white vinegar and baking soda. Look for plant-based products with transparent ingredients and certifications like EPA Safer Choice. Choose unscented, dye-free dish soaps or those made with Castile soap. You don't need harsh chemicals for a clean kitchen. Clean smarter, not harsher. Protect your health while you clean. Aluminum foil and cookware can leach metal into your food, especially with acidic or hot dishes. High aluminum intake is being studied for links to neurological issues. Avoid cooking or storing acidic foods in aluminum. Use parchment paper as a liner and switch to glass, ceramic, or stainless steel bakeware. Replace old scratched aluminum pots and pans. Modern anodized aluminum is safer, but stainless steel and glass are best. Don't add unnecessary metals to your meals. Choose safer cookware. Many packaged foods are loaded with artificial dyes and preservatives, synthetic chemicals linked to behavioral issues and possible long-term health risks. In some countries, these additives require warning labels, but not in the US red ingredient lists, and avoid products with names like Red 40, Yellow 5, BHT, or TBHQ. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, veggies, lean meats, and whole grains. When buying snacks, look for natural colors and short, recognizable ingredient lists. Eating real food is the simplest way to avoid hidden chemicals. Be a label detective. Feed your family real nourishment. Even healthy produce can carry pesticide residues. Wash all fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water. Use a vegetable brush for firm produce or a vinegar water solution for extra cleaning. Check the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 lists to prioritize which items to buy organic. Children are especially vulnerable to pesticide exposure. Making informed choices and washing produce well reduces your family's risk. Don't let hidden toxins hitch a ride on your healthy foods. Clean produce, clean eating. Your kitchen should be a place of nourishment, not hidden harm. Small changes, like safer cookware, better storage, and mindful cleaning, add up to big health benefits. Start with one step. Swap a sponge, upgrade a pan, or switch to glass containers. Share this knowledge and help others create safer kitchens too. For more practical tips, subscribe and stay informed. Thanks for watching. Here's to a healthier home.